You know what it is, it's black and yellow. Yeah, like my cat. But my cat is only black, not yellow. So, it's only black. My other cat is gray and white. His name is TJ. My other cat, my favorite cat, is orange and white. And he is outside right now, in the snow, having a lot of fun. Freezing. I'll let him in soon. You know, I like my cats. They're pretty chill. You know, like, they're so chill. Like, you know, I love my cats. I mean, can you say that you love your cat? I don't think so. Yeah, that's right. We have a special bondage. Like, it is, oh, it's like mother and child. But it's cat and its owner. Black and yellow. Okay. Okay. Shut up, silly. Okay. Meow.